guys, welcome to another vlog. Today is, well, tonight, it is Saturday night, 7:16. I don't know why I just showed you that. You can't even see it. 7, well after 7 p.m. I just got out of work, stopped at the grocery store, grabbed some stuff, because tomorrow morning, your girl is heading down to Brooklyn. Y'all, I must confess, I must confess, this little day trip, it's not even a day trip, I'm staying the night. It's literally a foodie trip. I want to try this Sando place in Brooklyn that I have literally had on my list for a few months now. And now it's like finally warming up a little bit, so it won't be super miserable outside. It's supposed to be a little bit rainy, but that ain't nothing compared to this cold weather we had a few weeks ago, last week, you know? So I decided I'm going to just take myself down to Brooklyn and get a sandwich. And I also wanted to check out the new Muji store that opened up in Bryant Park. This might sound crazy, but I want to go to the Muji in Chelsea market so I can get the handmade onigiri. And I have to bring my sister some stuff back anyway. So I'm like, you know what? I can just kill 2 birds with 1 stone, you feel me? And enjoy some good eats. So, like I said, it's a little after 7 now. So I'm gonna get cleaned up, put all of this stuff away. I literally just got Remy a bunch of snacks and some more dry food and some toothpaste and stuff like that. Throw that stuff away and get kind of settled for the night. I'm not planning on doing anything crazy besides just like taking a shower. Maybe playing the game a little bit, you know? And then I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Hi guys, good morning. It is Sunday, 10:17. I'm about to head out now. I'm over here looking at my wrist. There's no watch there. I took it off to charge it. So anyways, I'm about to head out now, head over to Amtrak. I'm gonna drive myself there. Normally I would take an Uber, but I don't really feel like waiting around on nobody. I'm ready to go now, you know? So I'm about to head out. I just packed a little overnight bag for my quick little stay down in the city. All right, let's stop rambling and let's head out. So I made it down to Chelsea. I'm only staying here for the night. I'm gonna drop off my things, change bags, and then head out. We're heading out to Brooklyn so we can go to Taku Sando. It's like a sandwich shop, and they make like the Japanese sandwiches that I miss so badly that I was having so much when I was in Japan, specifically an Egg Sando. All right, so I just placed my order for pickup. I'm about to leave in a few minutes. But y'all, I'm not gonna lie, this is actually really expensive. I got 2 Egg Sandos and I got a chicken Katsu Sando. The other Egg Sandos for Vanna, although she's not here. So yeah, y'all, this was $45 for 3 sandwiches. I mean, they're big sandwiches, I guess, but $45? That's actually insane. Let's head out. Hey y'all, so I'm in Brooklyn, sitting down by the water. I have the merchandise. This is a chicken katsu sandwich. I'm gonna save the egg salad one for later. And I also got ramen too, so I'm sure I'll have that when I get back home. Luckily, my hotel has a refrigerator. Oh, this sandwich is massive. It looks so good. All right, let's see. This is good. Not what I was expecting. Flavor-wise, it's really good. I wish I had more of that sauce on there. Hey guys, it is many hours later. I'm finally back at this hotel. I'm gonna finish my sandwich because I didn't finish it earlier. Actually, maybe I'll have the other half. I'll save this one half of this chicken katsu and have the egg sando, or half of the egg sando. Yeah, I'm so tired now. I'm so out of energy. Like walking that much just zapped it right out of me. Although I feel like that wasn't a lot of steps. I only got just over 10K steps. I don't know. I feel mad tired. I feel like I need to take a damn nap or something. This is the egg sando. These are some big sandwiches. I'm actually really hyped for this. Oh my god. Y'all don't understand how bad I love these. Y'all, it smells so good. Okay. Oh, there's 3 slices of bread there. Oh my god, this is reminding me of Japan. I might cry when I eat this. I got my second one. Let's head back out. We are going to Uniqlo. I'm surprised there's still like sunlight out here. I thought it was gonna be dark AF when I got outside again. Y'all, got a few things. And on my way over here, I ended up walking past the what is this? The New York Public Library. Y'all, it's just so pretty. I'm like, is this the same one that was in The Day After Tomorrow? Let me show you real quick. I can't believe I just randomly stumbled past this. It's so pretty. I just literally decided to sit for a second just so I could record this video. Alright, so now that I've been to my Uniqlo, now I actually walked past a Muji. I think I might stop in there. And then I also walked past the Hashi Market, so you know I'm going there. Hi guys. Oh, it's a few hours later. Oh, 9 o'clock. My toes are so sore. Well, swollen low-key from walking so much. Wow. I feel like that's not even a lot of steps. So last time I talked to you, I was a little over 10K. Now I'm like almost halfway to 17K. But that's enough for tonight. I'm actually going to pop back outside because I don't got no water. And I drink a lot of water throughout the night. So I stopped at Uniqlo. I went to Muji, got a whole bunch of stuff. And I also stopped at Sweetgreen for dinner. But I got a kale Caesar salad. So this is what's for dinner. And then for my dessert, I stopped at Shake Shack and got a strawberry milkshake. I don't like this lid. You know, I'm fighting to get this lid off. Like, now, why are they putting these on here and not the little cardboard ones they used to have? Those they used to get off. Damn. We're here fighting with the plastic. Ooh, so hype. Like, I can't be eating sandwiches all day. I need to eat some vegetables. And this is the vegetables. I just want to show how silly this is. Who? Also, right? Why is this not in the middle of the sink? Hi guys, good morning. It's Monday, it's 11:30. I was thinking of heading out before leaving to grab some breakfast, but I think I might just grab something at the train station. I don't really have energy to do all that, to be honest. I did not have the best sleep last night. That's because like the housekeeping closet is like 2 doors down, and they just been in and out of it all morning and night, so it just kept waking me up. So I'm definitely feeling very groggy. All right, let's go. Hey y'all. It's almost 5:30. I low-key feel like that took a long time to get home, but it really didn't. I'm tired. I'm very tired. So I am going to have myself a late or early dinner. It's 5 o'clock, so I guess this is kind of early. I was thinking I would have the rest of this chicken katsu sandwich. I'm gonna reheat it up inside of the toaster oven, and I low-key want another acai bowl. I had one for breakfast, and I felt like I didn't get enough. And I also forgot to ask them if they sold their granola separately, because their granola is so good. I had got the acai bowl from Pressed, and I love their acai bowls. I always get the acai OG one, and I just have them give me double strawberries, and to take off the blueberries, because I don't like blueberries. Well, I like blueberry flavor. I just don't like the actual fruit. That texture just reminds me too much of raisins, and I hate raisins. So let me get my dinner set up and I will come back. Thank you guys for tuning in for this quick little city trip. I'll probably get back to my normal home vlogs until April. So until then, I will see you guys next week. Bye.